Hi, folks, and welcome to day 9 of the 14-day Business Advisory Practice Bootcamp. We are more than halfway through this course, and I hope that you're enjoying it so far. Today, we're going to be talking about revenue management, how to help your clients not only make more money, but make the right kind of money. Most entrepreneurs chase sales without strategy. Your job is to bring structure, visibility, and smarter growth planning to the small business owners. Today's presentation is sponsored by Coleman Tanner Consulting, your source for strategic business solutions. By the end of today's session, you'll be able to explain what revenue management really means, help clients track and segment revenue streams, analyze trends and spot the best performers, guide pricing and packaging, and promotion strategies. This is where you stop chasing money and start managing it like an asset. Most small business owners don't know what their most profitable offer is, what products are underperforming and should be cut off, what time of the year they earn the most money, and how their audience segments spend differently. They track total revenue, but not the details. And that's where you come in. As a revenue advisor, you can help your clients segment income streams by offer, client type, time period, and so on. Set revenue targets per each revenue stream. Optimize pricing and packaging, and focus their energy on what's the most profitable items that they're selling. In other words, you turn revenue from random information to repeatable, valuable information. You don't need fancy dashboards. Simple tools will work just fine. That includes a revenue breakdown spreadsheet, monthly recurring revenue trackers, offer by offer profit margin tables, AI summaries of trends and anomalies, and templates for product pricing tiers or service bundles. These different tools that you'll be using with your clients will help them see their money in motion. For content creators, coaches, and influencers, revenue streams will include sponsored posts, affiliate income, digital product sales, memberships or subscription models, and service-based work like coaching, speaking engagements, and consulting assignments. You can help them by tracking and analyzing each income stream, adjust their pricing or packaging, such as offering 3-tiered pricing with add-ons, diversify income intentionally, and create sustainable income systems. So, to stand out with revenue management advisory services, here are a few tips for new business advisors. Create a quarterly revenue review template. Help your clients tie revenue goals to marketing actions. Recommend bundling, upsells, and tiered offers, like the 3-tier pricing that I mentioned previously. You can use ChatGPT to generate product and service ideas based on the client's top sellers. This helps clients focus on what scales, not just what sells. All right, for today's homework assignment, you're going to pick a client, whether that be a real or a fictitious business, and you're going to break down their revenue streams. Pick one stream to optimize, either increase, restructure, or cut it, and use the workbook to track your changes. Also, you can use AI to generate a list of new product or service ideas based on the client's niche and industry. And for bonus points, post a summary of your work in the comments of this video. All right, my friends, that concludes day 9. Excellent work today. Thank you for showing up. Now, your clients have a path to revenue clarity, not just hustle. Next up on day 10, we're going to help our clients set goals and build accountability systems to follow through. I'll see you inside of day 10. Bye for now.